Let me ask you something. If I told you the secret to living like a millionaire doesn't start with how much money you make, but how you manage what you already have, would you believe me? Now pause. Are you budgeting your money, or is your money budgeting you? Because right now, in this economy, you don't need to be rich to think like the rich. You need discipline, systems, and a little millionaire mindset magic. And today, I'm giving it all to you. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and you'll walk away with a complete millionaire-style budgeting strategy, custom built for 2025. No fluff, no BS. Plus, near the end of this video, I'll reveal the budgeting mistake even high-income earners make that keeps them broke for life. We've been lied to about budgeting. Let's face it, the word budget sounds boring. It feels restrictive, like a crash diet for your wallet. But here's the truth. Millionaires don't see budgeting as a punishment. They see it as power, control, freedom. Most people budget like this. They get paid, they spend, and if there's anything left at the end, that's savings. But millionaires, they do it backwards. They assign every dollar a job before it even hits their account. This is called zero-based budgeting. Every dollar has a destination: investing, saving, spending, or growing. So if you feel like you're always running out of money, it's not your income, it's your system. And speaking of systems, wait until you see how the wealthy automate everything. Millionaire moves in a modern world. We're in 2025 now. Your budgeting needs an upgrade. Part 1. Automation is your secret weapon. Millionaires don't remember to save. They don't hope they'll invest. They set it once and it runs while they sleep. Here's your starter setup. 1. Direct deposit into 3 buckets. Fixed needs, 50%. Wealth and freedom fund, 30%. Fun and lifestyle, 20%. 2. Use tools like Monarch Money, YNAB, or even simple Google Sheets. 3. Automate transfers right after payday before you touch a cent. And no, Venmoing your friend back for Taco Bell isn't budgeting, Kyle. Part 2. The wealth calendar system. Millionaires plan their money year like CEOs plan company strategy. Start using a wealth calendar. Weekly money check-in, 10 minutes. Monthly financial review, 30 minutes. Quarterly goal, reset, 1 hour. If you don't track where your money is going, you'll wake up in 10 years wondering where your life went. And if you're thinking, but I don't have enough money to budget like a millionaire, wait till you see what they do when their income is low. Budgeting is a wealth engine. Part 3. Lifestyle. Deflation versus inflation. The average person earns more and spends more. The millionaire earns more and invests even more. Here's the rule. Every time your income increases, upgrade your investments, not your lifestyle. So instead of getting that $1,200 iPhone, what if you dropped it into dividend stocks, like maybe ExxonMobil? We'll get into that in the next video. Part 4. The anti-budget for high performers. Millionaires don't want to micromanage every latte, so here's the ultimate pro move. The anti-budget. Pay yourself first, automate investments, spend the rest guilt-free. You don't need a finance degree, you need commitment, a system, and a vision so powerful, it pulls you out of bed every morning. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being free. Free from living paycheck to paycheck. Free from credit card traps. Free to travel, invest, build, and live wealthy on your terms. If you found value in this, imagine what happens when you start building multiple income streams and investing with intention. Start here with a question most people never ask. Is ExxonMobil stock a smart investment in 2025? Tap the video on screen now to find out.